Hello everyone, today we are making a delicious rigatoni pasta with chicken in a rich creamy sauce. It's perfect for dinner or lunch meal. It's very quick, easy and packed with full of flavor. So let's dive into the recipe. On the cooktop, I'm cooking rigatoni pasta in a large pot of salted water. So let's prepare the chicken here. I've taken 5 chicken thighs here, adding the dry ingredients like salt, pepper, paprika, Italian seasoning. We have garlic powder, onion powder, dried parsley. So here you can see all the ingredients that I'm putting. 1 teaspoon of each for this 5 chicken thighs that I've taken. So you have to cut it into cube or dice like this. Dried parsley here. Now in a large skillet, we will heat olive oil, and over medium heat we're going to cook these chicken until these are golden brown and fully cooked. So it will take around 5 to 7 minutes in medium heat. Give it a good mix. So I have added paprika here. For red color, I like to add red chili powder. It's Kashmiri red chili powder that we use, or you can add paprika here. Now we're going to cook this on this large skillet over medium heat. Close the lid so it cooks faster. It releases water like this, but that's fine. But it helps in fast cooking. So around 7 minutes it took, and the chicken is nicely cooked here. You can transfer this to a bowl or keep it aside. I want a little more cooking, that's why I'm putting on the side like this. As it's a large skillet, so I'm going to prepare the creamy sauce here in this skillet itself. So add butter, we will add garlic, onion. Let it cook. The raw smell of the garlic and onion goes. We'll add all the ingredients here: salt, red chili powder, half teaspoon of each. So I have separated the chicken right now. I will add this later once the onion and everything is cooked. Added 1/4 cup of the pasta water, pasta that we cooked, and onto that we add 1 cup of heavy cream. Then I'm adding cheese here. This is Parmesan cheese. Also you can add this black pepper and the cooked rigatoni pasta to it, and adding the chicken here. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour to thicken the gravy, or else if you want loose gravy, it's fine. You can just avoid adding the all-purpose flour here. If you add one tablespoon of all-purpose flour, you will get a nice thick creamy sauce. So we combined everything and it's ready to be served.
Hi guys, so today we have chicken pasta, and the best part of it is the cheese, Parmesan cheese. It might look a bit too much, but if you mix it, then it will be better. This is so good. I'd rather give it a 5-star rating or 10 out of 5. I'll overrate this a 10 out of 5. This is too good. The chicken is good, the cheese is good. I like the chicken, the pasta, all the spices and everything. Best one, this is the best thing in the world. Even you can see some sauce. This is better than any restaurant. So good.